Hey, what's going on? Eric Cortina, Texas Barndominiums. So I'm gonna give you a quick update on this Barndominium behind me. The painters are in there, the trim is done. So let's go see what they're doing. So as you can see, they have all the cabinets taped up. They're priming everything. Also, we're doing a beadboard wainscot here. So they're gonna prime that as well. All these windows are cased in wood. We have a lot of windows in this Barndo. Our customer did not want a 1x windowsill, so we did a 2x. It's gonna give it a more unique look. So this is very typical in construction job site. The painters usually take up everything. So while the painters are working, we can't have anybody else in here because, as you can see, nobody else can be in here. They cover up the floors and then they set up sawhorses and they paint all the cabinets. And so that's one thing that you want to leave alone, one trade that you want to leave alone. Do not stack trades on top of a painter because there's going to be issues. Painter's going to be here for about a week. Once they're done, we'll bring the plumbers, electricians, HVAC guys. They can start trimming the whole house and, you know, get it to completion. So anyway, this is the living room. And I'll go show you the rest of the house. So like I said, these guys use up every room in the house when they're painting cabinets. So anyway, that's what they're doing. I'm trying to stay out of their way while they're working because, like I said, I don't have a mask. So you saw the paint that's kind of floating in the air. That's another reason they always do the walls last, because that paint's gonna float and it's gonna settle everywhere. So always do your walls last. So last time I was here, I showed you this door. We had it turned the other way. So this is the way it's gonna be. And there's the laundry room in there. We also have crown molding. You can tell all the crown molding up there. We have it all in the living room, all the bedrooms, bathrooms, everywhere. So, like I said, the painter's gonna be here for a good week or so. We're gonna give them enough time to get it done, get it right. And then we'll come in here and knock everything else out. So that's a pretty nice, the way those rays come in. You can see all the paint floating in the air. All right, we're gonna get out of here. Let these painters get back to work. So we'll see you next week. We are Texas Barndominiums.